Hey everyone, we got ourselves a Heritage 2021 baseball. What we're looking for the relics and the autos. 72 cards in this pack. Picked this up at Target a long time ago. Just kind of going through it. Learning my lesson of not overbuying packs, especially. When you realize you're going to end up opening a lot of them on the channel. Move it around. Got ourselves a pack, 72 cards, 9 cards in a pack. Definitely looking for those relics and autos. Surprisingly, it's decent, huh? Getting some relics and autos. You know, can't really complain. So, got done. Stars rookies. Anderson. Nuez. I think I've gone through packs where I have not gotten any. That's usually a bummer, but you definitely want to see some. You got Kershaw, you got the Stars, you got Seager, Montero, Joyce, childhood photo, mate. Got Chapman, Hitter, Pendle, Remus, Harper, Boise, got Davis, Turner, Garlin, Gallo, Flashback, postseason, Rizzo. Alright guys, halfway done. Making some good speed. So we got Galvo, Red Trout, Cubs, Mills, Taylor, Bergman, Akura, May, Osatana, Naylor. Got Sanchez, got Wong, Molina, Chatwood, Stars, O'Neill, Wheeler, Action, Raymond. You know, definitely get to see some more interesting cards versus a hanger that I think I learned a while back. Definitely. But got Kepler, Castillo, in action, Barnes, Judge, Alonso. We got ourselves Clemens, a little die card, nice. Jacobs, Stalling. I don't know, not feeling any last pack mojo on this one, guys. for an auto or them, possibly, but my gut feeling is nada. Stahl, Ahmad, Engler, Barry, Frazier, Saxon, and Martin. So that card was it. Not bad, that card. So as always, thanks for watching. You guys have a good one. See you on the next.